This is the Seiko Richard gold tone metal travel alarm clock. The new Seiko Richard battery operated travel alarm clock has a beautifully crafted gold tone metal case, very compact, perfect item to take with you on your next trip, stunning appearance. This also makes a great gift for any special occasion or person. And look how this folds down. This clock is beautiful.